Hello, and welcome to the Tentative Tutor channel. Here we have three standard percentage word problems. The first version, what is 24% of 50? We'll let W represent what? We'll use equal for is, and of will always be multiplication. Remember to put the decimal form of 24%, which is 0.24, in the equation. So we just translate that question. We get W is equal to 0.24 times 50, and we end up with 12. Now here's the second version. 20 is what percent of 125? We'll use the same method. We translate the question into an equation. Is becomes equal. We use W for what, and of is times. We get 20 is equal to W times 125. Rearranging that a little bit, we get 125 times W is 20. We need to get W by itself. How can we solve this for W? We just divide both sides of the equation by 125. On the left we get W, and on the right we get 20 divided by 125, which simplifies to 4 over 25, or 16 over 100. So our answer is 16%. The third and final version. 60 is 40% of what number? Once again, we use the same method. We replace is with equal. 40% in decimal form is 0.4. Of is times, and what becomes a W. Rearranging a little bit, we get 0.4W is equal to 60. How can we solve that for W? Once again, we divide both sides of the equation by 0.4. On the left, we get W. On the right, we get 60 divided by 0.4, which is 600 over 4, or 150. So the answer is 150. Now here's our bonus problem. George's salary this year is triple that of last year. What was the percentage increase in his salary? Can you solve this? Leave your answer in the comments. And thanks for watching.